Google Pixel 6 first hands-on look is here. What's up guys, we are back again with some pretty good stuff of the Google Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. But first, hit that subscribe button and let's enjoy. Firstly, along with this official trailer which reveals a lot of things, Google has also made an Instagram post with Material You design of Android 12. But along with this, Google has also revealed a big thing, that is the launch date. As you can see on every Pixel 6, there is same date, that is Tuesday, October 19, 2021, which pretty much hints the possible launch event date of the Google Pixel 6 Pro, which is a couple of weeks after the iPhone 13 lineup. Now on to the official trailer which reveals the very first hands-on look at the Google Pixel 6, possibly the Pixel 6 Pro in pretty much all its colors, and it is looking kinda better than the renders. It's a very unique design, and judging by the Google statement of capturing some market share, this thing definitely stands out from the crowd. Now along with the very first hands-on look, Google has also revealed some info regarding the cameras of the Pixel 6. Google talks about how Pixel 6 camera will see you for how you actually are. This probably means of capturing proper skin tones, which is one of the things so many smartphones can do properly. Even iPhones nowadays struggle to capture perfect skin tones of the people, which Google is trying to fix with the Pixel 6. Google actually talked about this before of how they want to improve their skin tone performance, and seems like they have finally achieved this with the Pixel 6 camera. Also, the Google Pixel 6 will be full of AI because of its new Tensor AI chip, which will adapt and learn yourself to become faster. As you use your phone over time, it will learn your pattern. Now watch the full trailer by yourself. So considering how Google is so much open about their Pixel 6, we're gonna see more and more stuff in the coming days, so be sure to subscribe to the channel and do let me know what you think of the next big smartphone release of Google. Drop your thoughts and I'll see you in the next one.